it's been quite the journey. From leaving the USA many years ago to finding a new home here in Switzerland, I could not have dreamt all that has happened. Switzerland is not only a beautiful country in the heart of Europe, but a place where quality, design, and handcraft details are respected the world over. I set out to realize my dream of working in the industry the world looks to Switzerland for. Studying and gaining accreditation as a watchmaker specialized in decoration, I feel honored to be a part of the Tourbillon project. The project is not only my first watch to design, but the first Tourbillon Horage I set out to make. Going from a rough sketch on paper to actually setting the Tourbillon case is nothing short of amazing. Setting the cage involves a careful hand to find the correct positioning on the front side before fixing the screws on the case back side. The look on the case back is nothing short of remarkable. My vision was to create windows to the inner workings of the watch. These windows have a 30-degree bevel to attract and reflect as much light as possible, a 3-step diamond cut process. Little details like the multicolor Horage logo were added to continue the importance of light through the story of this watch. Watching the mainspring compress with each turn of the crown only heightens the excitement of the moment when the Tourbillon comes to life. I love how the escapement wheel really stands out. Our team early on has made it our focus to develop new technologies such as the silicone escapement found in Tourbillon. A silicone escapement means we can reach Gusk level accuracy. The cases are made from either 904L stainless steel or titanium. The visual difference is difficult to see as both are highly polished. At 41mm, the cases themselves have been designed to show as much of the movement as possible and accent their features. Gold, gray, silver, and blue are all the movement colors that will be made available. The index ring comes in a variety of colors, and I love seeing the various combinations that could be made. A tourbillon for today and for a new generation of watch lovers is what I set out to design. I hope it finds a place in your heart and inspires you to join the movement.